welcome back to Tried, Tested, and True Instant Pot Cooking. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a no-drain Kraft Macaroni and Cheese recipe in your Instant Pot. Hey, welcome back. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Lisa Childs, and every single week I share with you a new Instant Pot recipe or tips on how to use your Instant Pot here on YouTube. All right, today's video is how to make boxed macaroni and cheese in the Instant Pot. Now, before I get hate mail on this, I know that it's easy to make on the stove. I know that it's easy to make homemade macaroni and cheese. I'm not talking about that today. I'm talking about how to make it in the Instant Pot because it's really fast, it's hands-free. You don't have to boil water on the stove and watch over it. You can do other things while your macaroni and cheese is cooking. This recipe has also been really helpful for people for whatever reason can't carry a boiling pot of water and noodles to the stove to drain, or for people in tight spaces like in a dorm room or an RV where you can't really easily drain out noodles and boiling water. So I think that this is really convenient and I don't know, it's just delicious, right? Okay, let's get into making our mac and cheese in the Instant Pot. Start off by adding the noodles into your Instant Pot. You can use this recipe with one box or you can multiply it. Just double everything but the time. Next, add 1.5 cups of water. Don't try and add more or less. This is the perfect amount of water for a no-drain macaroni and cheese. Give the noodles a little stir and then lock the lid. Turn the knob to sealing, and then cook on manual high pressure for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes is up, your display will say L0000. Wait until it says L0003 or 4. So do a 3 to 4 minute natural pressure release. I've tested this like 5 times, and this was the best texture and the best way to make sure that the noodles absorb all of the water. So if you want a little bit more of a bite to your noodles, do 3 minutes. If you want them a little bit softer, do 4 minutes. Then release the rest of the pressure and then open up your Instant Pot lid. Next, stir up your noodles and kind of break them up. They might still be a little bit clumpy, so just mix them up and then give them a chance to absorb the rest of the water. Keep stirring for about a minute or two until all of the water is absorbed. Next, add your butter and your cheese sauce and your milk as normal, and then just mix it up and enjoy. Here's one more tip. I really love using heavy cream in place of the milk. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I put heavy cream in just about everything, and in Kraft Macaroni and Cheese, it is so good. Okay, you can find the full directions on my blog, triedtestedandtrue.com, and we'll see you next time. Bye.